Hello, everyone. Yesterday's meeting between Donald Trump and President Putin was hyped as a big moment where maybe a Ukraine ceasefire is on the cards, but nothing major came out of it. I personally feel it looked more like a show with handshakes and big words, but no real agreement came into the play on ending the Ukraine-Russia war. For investors, this means no big surprise. As always, already uh, we are already dealing with a whole lot of domestic issues rather than looking for you know the Russia Ukraine. Had it been come out on a positive note, maybe the markets would have cheered up, but the way it was hyped, I mean, the stakes are high, the high stakes are on the table. I mean, this is one of the big meeting after 4 years. Nothing such happened. No such big change would be seen in energy or defense markets. For now, things will move as usual without any surprise. On the other hand, here in India, our Prime Minister announced GST reforms as a Diwali bonanza gift. The idea is to cut taxes on the basic goods, to simplify the tax system, and to put the money in people's hands so that they spend more. While India's economy is already growing strong, which is 6.4% of GDP, is what you know the masters are saying, but I personally don't believe in that data because the company results says a lot more than the India's GDP number is wrong or the company's results are not up to the mark. I mean, it's up to you to decide which one is right, which one is wrong. But let's come to the point. So consumer spending has been a bit slow, so this step might give it a push of looking ahead and reforming the GST. But here's also a question: should we cut taxes in a booming economy or a developing country like India? Because while it helps people to spend much more, on the other hand, it also reduces government's income. For investors, the takeaway is simple: the US Russia talk didn't give us much way to head further, but India's GST reforms could actually support consumer faced companies and boost demand in the coming months as well. Thank you.